May isang pelikula si Nora Aunor na naging isa sa entry sa Metro Manila Film Festival noong 1980. Inisnab ito na tila hindi naibigan ng mga hurado at wala man lang kahit isang tropeyong napanalunan. Ito ay walang iba kundi ang pelikulang Bona na si Nora din ang producer. Co-star ni Ate Guy dito si Philip Salvador at idinirect ng National Artist for Film na si Lino Brocka. Mas napansin ito sa ibang bansa at marami itong International Film Festival na nilahukan, kabilang na ang prestigious Directors Fortnight sa Cannes sa France noong 1981. Dumalo dito si Nora, Philip at Brocka kung saan nasaksihan nila ang paghanga dito ng mga banyaga. Pinasalubungan ang bawat screening nito ng palakpakan, sabay hiyaw ng Bravo Bona, Bravo Philippines. Pinarangalan din ng Cannes ang Bona ng Certificate of Honor. Kasunod nito ang magagandang reviews.
A part of review of Bona from Asia Week, a gem from the Philippines. In recent years, Filipino director Lino Brocka has become one of the highest-profile Asian movie makers at the Cannes Film Festival. Although widely admired to his home country, Brocka made his first splash on the international scene when The Gripping Inseong was screened at the Directors' Fortnight at Cannes, 1978. Last year, Brocka's Jaguar was entered in the official competition, and a month ago, Brocka treated his overseas fans to yet another finely wrought work of Tagalog cinema verite, Bona. Nora Aunor, the Philippines' highest-paid actress, gives a restrained but powerful performance as the suffering girl power heroine. Together with Philip Salvador, who plays with great subtlety Gardo's difficult character, Aunor brings out the humor and tenderness, violence and tragedy. According to a New York Times review, Bona is chiefly interesting as an example of Philippine filmmaking and for its glimpses of life in the neighborhood where Bona and Gardo live. It was also screened at the 47th Biennale, Vienna International Film Festival, where Barbara Worm, Berlin and Vienna-based film historian, critic, and programmer, described Philippine cinema's superstar as the awesome Nora Aunor.
Sa isa pang review ay inihalin tulad si Nora Aunor sa mahusay na Italian actress na si Giulietta Masina. Nagwagi ang Bona sa Figueira da Foz Film Festival sa Portugal ng Jury Prize of the International Federation of Cinema Clubs. Narito pa ang iba pang international film festivals na sinalihan ng Bona. Dito sa Pilipinas, tanging ang Gawad Urian lamang ang nagbigay ng Best Actress Award para sa mahusay na pagganap ni Nora Aunor sa Bona. Ang Bona na hindi binigyang parangal ng MMFF noong 1980 ay itinuring na isa sa 100 na pinakamahusay na pelikula sa buong mundo.
Written by Senan Ramones, Bona is likewise included in the Museum of Tolerance, Los Angeles 100 Best Films of the World.
At noong May 21, 2023, nagkaroon ng screening ang first 20 minutes reel ng Restored Bona sa Cannes. Ito ay ginawang posible ng Italian Restoration Team at Carlotta Films at inaasahang sa susunod na taon at matapos na ang restoration ay magkakaroon ng grand screening ang fully restored Bona sa classic section ng Cannes. Maraming salamat sa panonood at hanggang sa muli.